Okay, so this is how we get out of the system. This is how we escape the matrix. All of us. Okay, so first of all is we find a definition for the matrix. We all know what the matrix is, but only a few people know and understand what the matrix is. So what is the matrix is? The matrix is all this system that is sent by the society to control us. Like a bunch of people sat down and say, you're going to go to school for these years, you're going to graduate with these years, you're going to get a degree so that you can get this job, so that you can get money. So the matrix is what? The matrix is the school you go to. The matrix is the food that you eat. The matrix is the job that you hate. The matrix is the 9 to 5 sucking the soul out of you. The matrix is the money, which is, I don't know. People say the money is the root of all evil. I say lack of money is the root of all evil. It's pretty weird because a bunch of dude or one dude sat down and say, I'm going to draft this paper, simple graphics, and then this is all going to determine people's life. And all this is going to be a dollar bill. It's going to change people's lives, you know. He said that people are going to sell their time to get this, because basically with this you can have everything. Okay, let's cut the bullshit. So you are working a 9 to 5. You are between the age of 20 to 25, right? You hate your job, right? You ask me how I know that. I know. The main question you should be asking yourself is not what I'm getting paid. What am I getting paid? The main question you should ask yourself is, what am I becoming? At the end of the day, you look yourself in the mirror and ask yourself, did I do enough? Did I do shit? If the answer is yes, you can ask yourself, looking in the mirror, honestly say you did enough, you did give it your all, you tried your best, you're better for 1%. You can say that day it was not a waste, and keep doing that. But a bunch of people ain't even having the confidence to look themselves in the mirror because they were on TikTok scrolling and laughing. This couple, there's a girlfriend showing tits, boobs, and all that stuff. You admire, you send a bunch of DM. Hey. It end up being a song. Hey. You're a man. You're wasting. You're supposed to be locked in, all the way in. You need to ban it because you need to get rich. You're at your 20, you're consuming this content. You are at your 20, you're lucky. You reach the age of 30 and it's all over. You have nothing to show because you are chasing women. You are chasing the bottle. You are doing all these drugs and all bullshit, man. You need to focus. You need to talk the fuck in. Let's see. So I said you need to learn and say, what am I getting, what am I becoming, not what am I getting paid. Even if you hate your job, you need to use it to get somewhere. Have that engraved inside your brain. And remember, you don't need more knowledge, you're drowning in it. Some of you collect knowledge like it's an hobby. You keep learning. But if you keep learning, it's all bullshit. You just have like 1 TB of memory. You keep feeding shit inside. That shit is useless if you're not using it. Let your learning lead to action, not knowledge. If your learning lead to knowledge, you are probably feeding this shit with nothing. You say that's not good. Let your learning lead to action. Yes, you learn today how to code a website. And just sit there and say, I learned something new, I can code a website. Go out there and put the knowledge to action. Put it to work. That's when you're going to know whether you learned shit or you didn't do shit. Because a lot of people plan and they don't show up. Doing the thing is what guaranteed that whatever you are learning, you can do it. A lot of people plan, do this stuff, but the execution phase is all where we hate. It's all of us hate, but that's where real growth happens. That's where you have to put in the work. Otherwise, you're just going to be gay, and we are not here to be gay. Okay, so next thing is about dopamine. There's cheap dopamine out there. Okay, dopamine is what? Is it dopamine? Yeah, the anticipation. It's a hormone for anticipation, where you're there having your phone, scrolling, and you're not. It's like your brain has been hacked. Even the content that you are consuming, it's not helping you. Like, there's no feeling better because you're scrolling, anticipating that you're going to get a clip that is going to blow your mind, and you're going to laugh in a way where you end up scrolling for hours looking for this one clip. It's anticipation, not the arrival. It's anticipation. You need to chase real dopamine. Sunlight, reading, workout. If you are a man and you cannot do 50 push-ups, you are gay. You are gay, bro. You are gay. Basically, for me, I do 199. Sometimes I'm gay. I do under 50. No, it has never happened. I do under 100. Around probably 70, 89 there. I'm gay those times. But think of you out there who cannot do even 10 push-ups. You're not even gay. You're worse than gay, bro. You need to work harder on yourself. Improve yourself. Every day you look yourself in the mirror and ask yourself, did I do enough? Did I get better? Or I was just scrolling on TikTok 6 hours in a day, didn't do shit, I didn't read, I was just sending texts to all these bitches. Hey, who are going to probably ignore you. If you're short, get rich. If you're fat, get rich. Revenge is success. It's the only revenge. It's not going buying this sweater that my ex is going to look at me and be like, nah. Probably, specifically me, personally, I had no exes, bro. And it's not because I haven't had girls. I've had a couple girls, but I've never met one who is going to be worth of me saying, I love you. Not because they are not worthy. I don't have time for that shit. Man, I'm 20 years old. The matrix is coming for me. If I don't realize that this is the highest time I need to lock in, focus, and sit down and decide what I want out of my life, and lock the fuck in, I'll be cooked. You are out there, you are 20, 23, 24. This is the highest time that you sit down and realize you need to be serious and think and say whatever the fuck you want out of your life, and lock the fuck in. Playtime is over. If you don't do that, you'll be fat. If you believe you reach around 26, 13, you are old. And you're 20, you're in your youngest age, you're old, you're fat, you're out of shape, you don't have teeth because you are at a club drinking, you end up into a fight, your eyes don't see, you're fucked up, you don't have a physique, you have nothing to show off. Like, you're a piece of shit, bro. And you'll be like, hey, what did I waste 10 years? Well, right now, you could watch this video and inspire change. You need to change, bro. You need. Don't chase women. Focus on yourself. Focus on your career. Focus on how you're going to escape this 9 to 5. Focus on how you're going to master this skill. I mean, you could get good at stuff where people will be fear. Where you could get good at stuff where people will fear losing you. And start small. Don't say I don't have this laptop. I don't have a laptop which has these specs. I don't have this phone. Do what you can with what you have and where you are. Start moving. There's a theory of mnemonic, I don't know, which says an object will remain, an object which is in no motion will remain in no motion until an effect has been acted upon it, which is taking it and moving it. And starting is the hardest thing, but I promise, I'm telling you, if you start, momentum will carry you over. The energy required to start something is usually harder, it's usually big than the energy required to keep doing something. Like today, let me be honest, I skipped workout, and it's not negotiable because I don't I don't do that. Like I don't let a day go without me learning something. Even if I've let a day go and I'm here watching, maybe it's a TV show all sitting, my brain is not going to focus on that shit because there is going to be something running in the background telling me you didn't do shit, you haven't learned this, you haven't kept your heart, you just supposed to, bro. So work hard on yourself, improve. This is the highest time you realize you need to lock the fuck in. The matrix is coming. Death is coming. Make decision. Make the hard decision. Be a man. I mean, a lot of us make sacrifice because, as for me personally, a lot of us make these sacrifices where we say we don't have time for love. And I mean, we log in, we say no to a bunch of stuff. Like, basically for me, I say no to everything. And we are all logged in. We say no to almost everything. And we are going to make it. But it's sad if things go south. You will be like, damn, I rejected all these guys. I was cold to them. I showed no emotion and interest to them just because I was locked in and I was chasing my goals and dreams. And then you're like, damn, it's been like 3 years. You've never been open to anybody, like expressing your feelings and shit. And you're like, damn, I wish I did that, this and that and that. But fuck that, it's going to work out. Yes, it's a sacrifice, you know. Whenever you get into a low point where you ask yourself, what the fuck am I even doing this? That's when you need to go harder. That's when you keep going. That's why you need to keep going. Because you deserve to know that it's going to work out. And there's no way it's going to work out if you're not putting in the work. If you don't put in the work, bro, you can expect things to come manna from the sky and fall. No, you need to work the fuck. And money is not earned by working hard. That's something the society matrix fed you something wrong. There's a lot of people that sit in their houses drinking tea, reading books, and doing shit where they're not working and they're earning. Money is not earned by working. If you convince yourself that I'm going to work hard and I'm going to be rich, nah man, it's bullshit. Money is earned by system. You need to have system. If you're not going to learn of a way how you're going to make money while you're sleeping, you are condemned forever to work for someone. If you're not going to focus and log in and chase your dream, someone is going to employ you, hire your time, tell you when you're going to sleep, when you're going home, when you're going to eat, while you're chasing his dream, making him breathe. I had a story saying that, wow, boss. It was a conversation between a worker and a boss, and the worker was like, wow, boss, you have a Lamborghini. This is yours. Yeah. And the boss replied, if you work hard this year, I'm going to get another one in a Porsche. I mean, if you don't get the meaning in that, well, I don't know what we do. The thing is, work hard on yourself. Improve. Consume knowledge that is helpful. Stop masturbating. Stop fapping. Stop consuming porn. Stop consuming shit that is not helping you. We are all going to die. Chase that dream. Tell that girl you love her. Take the risk. I mean, at the end of the day, we're all going to die. Focus. Lock the fuck in. You need to panic. Stop sleeping. Feel worried. Get nervous and get rich. Focus. Even if you didn't get a chance to go to college, I mean, right now we have the internet. You can learn basically everything. Go out there, learn. I mean, the industry gives a shit about papers, but at the end of the day, it's not paper that are going to work then. Go out there, studying a course in graphic design, web, code stuff. Go out there, say, I don't have this qualification, but I can do this and this. Improve yourself, bro. I don't know if there's something that I didn't say, because you might say that you have tomorrow and wake up and get hit by a truck, and just like that you're dead and you're gone. And when you're gone, and we don't have a guarantee if there's life after death, bro. We don't. So because of that, I'm going to eat something sweet today. But stay hard, lock the fuck in, and this is my accountability saying I'm going to get rich. I'm already rich here. It's just a matter of time. It's just reality hasn't catch up with me. In order for you to be rich, you need to be rich here. And I'm already rich here. I'm rich here. It's just reality has to catch up. It's things, the physical thing has to catch up. Recoil boy, digital tech services. That's my plan. Stay hard, guys. Stay hard. When you get fired, stay hard. A bitch left you, stay hard. Someone lost, stay hard. You lost someone special, stay hard. You lost someone close, stay hard. You sitting there and crying and saying the universe is not safe, like it's not fair. None of this shit is fair, bro. Everything is hard as fuck, bro. Life is like a dick. A woman comes around and make it hard. That is not humor. If you think that me posting doing this stuff because something is going to get easy, all things are going to get easy, the more you grow up, the more time is going, the more things are getting harder and harder. If you wait until the day when you're going to be ready to do something, if you say I'm not ready right now, you're never going to be ready. You are never going to be ready. You're never going to feel where I'm like, yeah, everything is good, so I'm going to do this and this. It's never going to happen. You're broke. You're fucking poor. Bye, guys. It's a good day. All I can say is this. This is a mirror. It's my accountability mirror. All I can say is be honest. I didn't do enough. Like, I didn't give my all. You know, each and every day you need to look yourself and ask yourself, are you getting better? Step by step, are you getting better? Are you like 2 steps forward from the person that you were yesterday? And for me, I can say I wasn't a mediocre. I did not procrastinate the whole day, but I tried. But I definitely didn't give him my all. You didn't do shit. You didn't do shit, bro. Bye, guys. Take care. I'm going home.